All right, so we got these cable labels for this D110. What's it called? Nimbot printer. All right, so here you can see they tell you to store it, preserve in cool and ventilated place, avoiding direct sunlight. All right, use it indoors, 10 to 25 degrees Celsius. All right, storage life, if sealed, at 23 plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius. Excuse me, relative humidity, 50 plus or minus 5% for 24 months, and then use it soon after unsealing. So, all right, so about 2 years this stuff will hold up. We'll see. Anyways, you can see cable label paper. All right, 12.5 by 109, 65 pieces. All right, and let's go ahead and see. They have this Nimbot sticker there. All right, we're gonna open this up and see what we got. Let's open this. Okay, we only need one box, so let's get this out. Okay, let's see here. Oh, can't open it that way. Let me get like a little thing to get this out easier. There we go. Okay, dump this guy out. I'm gonna have to leave it kind of in plastic to help preserve it better. All right, but let's go ahead and open this up. Oop, okay, so here's what the labels look like. Oops, I dropped it and it made like a little dent on there. Hopefully it's okay. We got this white sticker that says open here, so we're gonna peel this up and be careful not to peel the labels off the sheet. We'll set that over there for now. And here's what the label looks like. You can see in the middle it has the crease, and then it has this long label there. So let's go ahead and see. There's only 65 of these per roll. I'm gonna drop this in, and we're gonna try and get this to sit nicely. Okay, I might have to use this sticker to help hold it in place because this one keeps trying to curl on itself, so I'm gonna use that sticker, and I'm gonna kind of hold it here, get lined up, and I want to kind of make sure to get it further in because they don't really put enough there. So let's see. Okay, hopefully that's good enough, and then we can peel this sticker off, I think. Actually, we'll just leave it there, and let's go ahead and try and create a design real quick here. Okay. I'm gonna open up the app here. Let's power this on. Okay, so let's see, current label, it's reading, there we go. So you can see it creates this label here, so you can write something on it, and then when you fold it over, it will go the other way. So let's see, which way will this work? My brain has to kind of think. So right now it's opened out like this, and then it will close like that. So if you write the words going vertical that way, and then you close it, then it should be mirrored the other way, right? So first letter will be on this side, and then first, I guess it doesn't matter. You just write it the same way twice, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and try this. What I'm gonna do, let's see. I'm gonna put that. We're gonna split it so it's halfway. Oops, sorry, can't even see what I'm doing. I'm gonna split it so it's halfway like this, and then I'm gonna try and make it larger there. Trying to get it centered is the kind of annoying part, so we're gonna try and align the blue, oops, with the dotted lines. Good enough. All right, then we can increase the font, and then we will align it in the center this way using this align button. Okay, there's the align down here. Sorry, I'm not really showing it that well, but that's probably too big, so we'll probably do it 18. And then we'll do the other side. We'll add a new one. So we got that. We're going to do another text box. We're going to move that one over here. Again, you just line up horizontally. And then as you add text, it will automatically resize vertically. All right. Oops, give me a second. I gotta add. Just like that. Okay. And then it will increase the size here. Let's see if we align it to the middle. There we go. And now if we click print, let's see what it shows. So it looks like that. Okay, so let me confirm if this is the design and see what they want. Maybe we might end up adding a picture. Give me a second. All right, I'm back. So here's the design. I added that. Of course, it's going to print just black and white or just black text. So let's see how it comes out. We'll push print. We'll change the print density to 3. Okay, we got one copy. Because this is the first label, it's probably not going to be aligned properly. But anyways, let's go ahead and print. See how it turns out. Okay, so that's how it made the label. You can see there. Alright, so let me see if it's okay, and then I might print another. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Print it out. Anyways, the way this works is basically this part wraps over the cable, and then you fold these two halves together. So this will basically stick on one side, and then when you fold it together, it will sandwich this in place and it won't pull out. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this will be useful to you guys. I'm gonna put this roll back in the little plastic bag and store it in here. I think that should be good for now. Again, hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it helped you decide whether these will be, or this device will be useful to you, or these labels. Again, there are all different types of labels with all different kinds of designs, so you're not just stuck with this one. Before, I actually bought a whole bunch of other types of labels, so let me show you here if you didn't already see my other videos. So we got plain white ones, and then also the duck thing came with its own special ducky ones. Oops, let me see if I can get this back out. Okay, I don't want to tear the box because I'm going to have to reuse it. But the duck one came with its special ducky labels, alright, as you can see. So it has 3 different designs on it that just rotate. And, oh, I need to put that in a baggie too. I don't want that to go bad. Keep it fresher. Okay. But yeah, so there's all different kinds of labels. There's colored ones. The only thing is it can only print in one color. I think some labels might print different color, but it's only one color. Most of them I think are pretty much always the text is black. There's clear labels, there's labels with other designs on it, there's colored labels like pink, blue, green, yellow, orange, whatever. Alright, and then yeah, then the other one I had before was the plain white roll. What did I do with that? Oh, here. Alright. It's all rolling on itself. So this is the plain white roll. I don't know how the printer knows which roll is in there, but somehow it does. Oh, I see. That's how it works. So you can't pull this thing off. You want to make sure you don't peel this off, because there's a what's that, like IR whatever thingy in there. You see that silvery stuff in the center? That's how it knows what kind of label's in there. I was wondering how it knew. And that's probably why I think that's why it says invalid if torn. So you want to make sure you don't accidentally rip this off. If you do somehow tear this label thing and it stops working, you might be able to get the same roll and then just stick it on top. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Let's drop this.